going to learn a new chapter, chapter number 14, Division, Part 2. Before we start the lesson, let us have recap from our previous video of division. All the places have special names in division. Here 20 divided by 5. In division, we are going to use this symbol. So here we will write 20 below the slipping line and we will write 5 in the curved line. We are using this symbol in division method. Now we will divide 20 by 5. So for this we will say 5 times table. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. So we got 20 over here. So we will write 4 at the top of the slipping line and 20 below this 20. Now we will subtract 20 minus 20. So 20 minus 20 we will get 0. Students, in this method all the places have special names. So the number which is being divided is called dividend. So 20 is dividend. The number which divides the dividend is called divisor. So 5 is divisor. The answer obtained in the process of division is called quotient. So 4 is quotient. The leftover number is called remainder. So here 0 is remainder. Students, in division sums, we get answer at the top of the slipping line. Let us solve some examples. Divide the following. 468 divided by 2. Students, at the bottom of the page, we will use as our rough work. Now first we will draw one curved line and slipping line. We will write divisor in curved line, that is 2. We will write dividend below slipping line, that is 468. Now as 2 is divisor, we will write 2 timetables to find out by which number we can divide 468. Students, keep in mind that whenever we do division sum, we will start from left hand side. So we will take first digit 4, then we will divide 2 from digit 6, then we will divide 2 from digit 8. So first we will write 2 timetables to find out by which number we can divide. So we will write the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Now here We will take first digit 4. So we will find out in the tables where we get the 4 here. 2 2s are 4. So we will divide this 2 with 2. So we will write 2 2s are 4. See this 2, it is here. Then these 2 we will write at the top, and the answer, that is the product which we get after multiplication, we will write here below the dividend. Now we will subtract 4 minus 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So we will write 0. Now we will take this digit 6 down next to this 0. So we will write 6 down. Now we will divide 2 from 6. So in the table 2 time table, 2 3s are 6. So we will write 3 on the top and the product which we get below. Now 6 minus 6, we will get 0. So we will write 0. Now the next digit, that is 8, we will take it down next to this 0. So now we will divide 2 from 8. So 2 4s are 8. So we will write 4 on the top and 8 below this 8. Now subtract both the number. 8 minus 8, 0. So we will write 0. So student, we got dividend 468 divisor 2, quotient 234 and remainder 0. See here, dividend. This is dividend which we have written here. Dividend 468. This is divisor 2. This is quotient 234 and this is remainder. Student, in division sum, the number which we got on the top is the final answer. Next example, divide the following. 242 divided by 3. So first we will draw slipping line and curved line, and we will write divisor in curved line and dividend below slipping line, that is 242. Now as divisor is 3, we will write 3 timetables to solve this sum. So we will write here 3 timetables. 3 zeros are 0, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. Students, here the divisor is 3 and the first number at the 100 place in dividend is 2. So 3 is bigger than 2. So we can't divide 3 from 2. So we will take first 3 zeros are 0 because 3 ones are is 3 and here number is 2. So we will not be able to divide 3 from 2. So we will take 0. So 3 zeros are 0. We will write 0 on the top and 0, that is the product below 2. Now 2 minus 0 is equal to 2. Now we will take the next digit 4 down next to 2. Now this number is become 24. Now we will see in this table where the product is 24. Here 3 8s are 24. So we will write 3 8s are 24. So students, this 3 is divisor. This 8 will go in quotient and the product which we get we will write below over here. Now we will subtract 24 from 24. So 24 minus 24, 0. Now we will take the next digit, that is 2, down next to this 0. So we will take this 2 down. Now again we will divide this 2 by 3 as we have done before. So we can't divide 3 from 2. So we will take 0 again. 3 zeros are 0. 2 minus 0, 2. So students, here dividend is 242, divisor is 3, quotient is 80 and remainder is 2. Next example, divide the following. 908 divided by 4. So we will draw curved line and slipping line. Divisor we will write in curved line. Dividend we will write below the slipping line, that is 908. Now as here divisor is 4, we will write 4 timetables. So 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24, 4 sevens are 28, 4 eights are 32. Now here divisor is 4 and the first digit in dividend at 100 place is 9. 4 is smaller than 9. So we can divide 4 from 9. So here 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 12 is bigger than this 9. So we will take 4 twos are 8. So we will divide 4 by 4 twos are 8. So we will write 2 at the top and 8 below 9. Now 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. Now we will take this 0 down next to 1. Now this number became 10. Again we will divide 4 from this number 10. So see here 4 twos are 8 and 4 threes are is 12. 12 is bigger than 10. So again we will take 4 twos are 8. So we will divide again 4 2s are 8. So now 10 minus 8, we will get the answer 2. Now the next digit next to 0, that is 8. We will take down this 8. We will write down next to 2. So now this number is become 28. So again we will see in this table here 4 sevens are 28. Here 4 eights are 32. 32 is bigger than 28. And we got the same number 28, 28. So 4 sevens are 28. We will take 7. We will write at the top and 28 down. 28 minus 28, 0. So students, here dividend is 908, divisor 4, quotient 227 and remainder is 0. Next sum, 900 divided by 6. So we will draw slipping line and curved line. We will write divisor in the curved line, that is 6, and dividend below slipping line, that is 900. Now here divisor is 6, so we will write 6 timetables. 6 zeros are 0, 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, 6 threes are 18, 6 fours are 24, 6 fives are 30, 6 sixes are 36. Now here digit is 6 and here this digit is 9. So 9 is bigger than 6. So here we don't need to divide. From 6 zeros are 0. So we will take next number, that is 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are here 12 and 12 is bigger than 9. So we will take 6 ones are 6. So we will write 1 on top and 6 below 9. Now 9 minus 6, 3. So we will write 3 down and we will take the next digit next to 9, that is 0, below. Here this 0 we will write down next to 3. So now this number become 30. Now we will find where we get 30 in the 6 timetables. 6 5s are 30. So we will take 6 5s are 30. So we will write 5 on the top and 30 down. Now 30 minus 30, 0. So we will write 0. Now one more 0 over here is left. We will take this 0 down. So we will take 0 down. Again we will divide 6 by 0. So 6 zeros are 0. We will write 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So students, here we get dividend 900, divisor 6, quotient 150 and remainder 0. Next example, divide the following. 120 divided by 4. As divisor is 4, we will write in curved line, and dividend is 120, we will write below slipping line. Now here divisor is 4, so we will write 4 timetables. So 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. Here first digit at 100 place is 1. 1 is smaller than 4. So we can't able to divide 4 from 1. So we will divide this 4 by 0. So we will take 4 zeros are 0. So we will write 4 zeros are 0. Now 1 minus 0, 1. Now we will take these 2 down next to 1. So we will write 2 down. Now this number is become 12. So we will divide 4 from 12. So we will take 4 threes are 12. So 3 we will write on the top and 12 down. 12 minus 12, 0. So we will write 0. Now we will take next digit, that is 0, down and write next to zeros. So again we will divide 4 from 0. So we will write 4 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. So students, here we got dividend is 120, that is 120, divisor 4, dividend, quotient 30, remainder 0. So students, I hope you must have learned to solve the division sums. Thank you.